The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm like, sometimes I'm like, oh my God, no way, you know?
Yeah. Music is a symphonic articulation of sound. Huh?
I'm going to do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Hello, I'm Robert Downey Jr. I'm Iron Man. Yes, Iron Man.
At your come on.
Hey, fuck you, man. Fantastic. What do you think of that one?
I like that
Stupendous.
Did you eat him?
Russell Simmons been 80 years old for the last 30 years. He still look like he could, bag some young shorty. So I'm gonna say
We did Comedy Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I do.
Who's gonna be the guest,
Right.
And they said Bob Saget. I was like, oh my God, no way. I was like freaking out.
Understand.
Have you ever knocked on the door of someone you don't know?
Um,
And we'll just see if he...
You right up? Anyway, I want to get all the way to ask.
Bitch.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.